Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Actually, it might not be a short one. It might be kind of a long one. It feels like a heavy box, probably multiple things inside. I think I know... What? Yeah, I know exactly who sent it because it's right on the front. I can link this stuff. I think it's all available. It's been a bit since I've looked at knives from this company, but I've always had nice things to say, and I expect these to be pretty freaking cool as well. So I will make sure they are all linked right down below so you guys can check them out. It absolutely helps my channel when you use those links, but that is entirely up to you. Thanks to Off Grid Knives for sending these in for me to take a look at. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's go ahead and get in here. I think these are some updated versions. I just had a conversation with the owner. I think these are some updated versions of past models. Or we have a note here. Hey, MC, you checked out the original Blink 2 years ago. 2 years? It's been 2 years. Wow. Now you have the Blank V2. Bigger, stronger, faster, meaner. Too far. He actually wrote this out. Looking forward to your review. FYI, made in Taiwan. Cool. Nice. Oh, that's cool, man. So he's worked with various OEMs. And you guys know, on this channel, I kind of take the approach that I'm going to judge for what, what the thing is. I don't have a, specific bias. Well, okay, if it's made in the USA, I got a specific bias for that. But anywhere else, right, I'm not anti this or that. But it is cool when people have the choice and they go with Taiwan, right? If you didn't know, that's, if you're into that, right, if you're into that teeter-totter, Taiwan, I think, is a much more agreeable choice, depending on who you talk with. So, I'm not taking a side. I'm just letting you know. I'm here to give you the facts, right? And then you can do what you do with that. So, we have the Viper V2. It looks like he sent multiple variants. It's really cool that he has these being made in Taiwan. Ooh, yes. This was the one... Yeah, I remember this. Look at that texturing there, too. Ooh, yeah. Look at this here. Look at this. Let me tell you why. Off-Grid has one of the best pocket clips in existence, right? But there's 3 screws. They use 3 screws instead of 2 screws. Shut up. Weird sort of Disney cricket character, whatever I decided you were in my brain. It's okay. They're all recessed, and this pocket clip is deep carrying, has that sort of swoop and drop and slight rise, right? Even though it's going over the texturing's not so aggressive that this will fray up your pants. We do have the diamond texturing, and then it's outlined by a heavily chamfered zone, which is something I really like, right? He's got the filler tab there, which, oh no, you have to put your eyeballs on it. Oh no, entitled right-handed people. Lefties can now enjoy this as well, right? Left-handed people now have a position to mount the clip if they want. Or if you're like my brother, you're right-handed and you put the freaking knife in your left-handed pocket for some reason. I don't understand. My brother's so weird. I always tell him, like, that's wrong, man. If you're right-handed, it goes in there. It's fine. If you do that, that's fine. You carry it however you want, right? But whether you're right-handed and you like to carry in your lefty pocket, or you're left-handed, you've got a position for the clip. Boy, these are nice. Carry. Oh, look at the action there. Woo, boy, that's nice. Also, extended, the jimping here is extended way out. Look how he does that. That's kind of cool, man. So, I think I remember on past models, like, it was carved out here like this, and it was an interesting area, but it provided no meaningful traction because these little jimps were not here, but they are now. Yeah, that's really cool. That's a nice knife. And, of course, cherry on top, 154 cm. Made in Taiwan, 154 cm. drop shutty action. That's real nice. This is the kind of thing that I really enjoy celebrating. What else do we have here? Of course, we got the all black one. So this has kind of a gray finish. Then we got a black wash finish, right? Very cool. Same exact detail, same exact action. Very nice to see consistency there. What do we have? This one better be rainbow. I'm just kidding. So we got, oh yeah, this is going to be my favorite. So we got black G10, but we have a tumbled finish. Yeah, that's going to be my favorite right there. That's a good looking knife. So this has, the nice thing about off-grid knives is they have that like kind of tactical look, kind of like, yeah, you know, almost like bigger, stronger, like how is it kind of joking around with the nope there. And that's cool. That's an aesthetic that's like, you know, that's a thing. But normally what we get with that, what that's generally synonymous with is the junky poo-poo town part of the knife world, right? The kind of like, whoa, it's made for serious stuff, but it's just kind of slapped together and, you know, thrown in your face at the checkout counter of the Slug and Gug, you know, the local corner. It's just crap, right? This isn't crap. This is actually well thought out ergonomically. Lock bar disengagement's in a good spot. No double clutch, right? Purposeful materials, purposeful blade shape, blade geometry. Nice texturing here. This is beautiful. This right here, this continuous diamond texture pattern that we have like all within the parameters of these chamfered zones. Really nice. Man, that's cool. So I'm going to get, I mean, these aren't going to be budget knives. Not with them being the materials that they are. I'm not saying like there's, it's not like, oh, well, it's a steel liner lock with G10, right? And 154 cm, which is a great steel. That's one of those steels where if it's not on a budget knife, but we're in that general zone, right? Even if we've crossed over the $100 line, 154 cm is one of those steels where and not everybody thinks this way, but I do. I go, okay, we're still okay there. 154 cm, acceptable, right? I mean, ProTech is mirror polishing that stuff and putting it on $800 knives, right? So I'm okay with it. That's one of my favorite compositions ever. On top of that, this isn't just, we can't just be like G10, right? You got to look at how it's finished. We have texturing, heavy chamfering, really good fit and finish. A little bit more work went into this, right? So I'm going to guess we're outside of the budget zone. Not quite into premium price point territory, but without seeing the prices and just knowing what I know about off-grid knives, I'm going to guess these are reasonably priced, right? And I know that a lot of people, not everybody, some people don't care. A ton of people are going to be really happy to hear that these are manufactured in Taiwan. I think that that's going to be a driving point for a lot of people. So I think that's a good move from off-grid. Everything that they have done, they've always chosen OEMs that are able to do the work, you know, in a premium way. But it's cool to see something coming in, you know, it's not quite as expensive as some of their ultra expensive stuff, which by the way, their super premium stuff I've always enjoyed. I've always thought it was really great. I think that probably We Knives did the manufacturing there. Always thought it was great. It's cool to see some less expensive stuff because usually the less expensive you go in, you know, any product line, the more likely you are to see it manufactured in China. So it's nice to see something like this, around mid-range, that he's outsourcing to Taiwan instead. Very cool. Yeah, first impressions of these, pretty darn good. I like them. Nice looking knives, functionally good, all of that. I will re-review this since it is a V2. And right off the bat, I like it more than the V1, and I liked the V1. You can check out that review if you want to. I think that's going to be pretty much it for today. I'll get the full reviews of these knives up here in a couple weeks. I will probably keep one and give the other two away on a live stream at some point. So thanks again to Off-Grid Knives. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.